Hello everyone, welcome back. We are in a 2023 Arteon SEL R-Line. It's a pretty sweet car. This has the 2-liter turbo. It's 300 horsepower with launch control. And I'm going to show you how to use it. So first off, go to vehicle status. Go to settings. And you're going to find ESC system. You're going to click and go to ESC Sport. You can see on your screen that all the assists are off. And then next, you're going to go to mode and make sure you're on sport mode. And that's basically it. You can use launch control. So to use launch control, all you can do is you're going to stomp really hard on the brake and then press really hard on the throttle at the same time. You're going to see the RPMs raise about 4K RPM, and that's it. Whoa, that's pretty quick.